Hey guys, I'm Corey with Rugged Terrain. I've had a lot of customers ask about the Milwaukee Packout mounts. We've got several different options of those. This is particular obviously on a Can-Am, but we have them for the Honda and the Polaris models as well. We've had a lot of customers ask about how they're installed, how they work. They're very simple, and we're going to show you that today. This is the AJK Packout mount. It's really easy to install. There are 4 bolts on each side. They go through these existing bolts. They're already there, so there's no drilling on your machine. All we need to do is pull these 4 bolts out. They come with 2 longer bolts that we're going to need here in a second. We'll show you that. It's really simple. You need a T30 bit to pull the top out and a 10mm on the bottom to hold the nut. It's easiest if you have 2 people. Well, this is to help me. But if you don't have somebody else, you can do it yourself. Just look at that more chair. So we're going to go ahead and do that for you here real quick. We're going to pull all 4 of these out and show you how this goes together. All right, we've got the bolts installed. We got the original bolts back in our front. AJK provided us with new bolts for the rear that are long enough to accommodate, and they all have new washers. So we got that last bolt we're going to drop in here. And then we're going to use our existing nuts to secure all 4 bolts back down. And the installation is complete. We'll show you what it looks like with packouts installed in just a second. All right guys, we've got it all installed. I'm going to show you how these things clip in. There's been a lot of questions about will they fall out. If I'm driving to the dunes and I'm going high speed, is this thing going to come out? The answer is no. These things clip in and lock into place. All you got to do is set them on there, line them up with the tabs, push, and it locks in. It's not coming out. And then you've got room for a toolbox and a cooler, or 3 coolers if you want to go that route. Latch it in there, and it's in there solid. And then to release it, you have to pull up on this latch and slide the whole thing out. Comes right out. We don't care about tools, so we're content with just the small box and a cooler. A belt in here and a couple of miscellaneous hand tools and stuff. It's entirely